Welcome to the Tech Boy Anand YouTube channel.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Boy Anand. In today's video, I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to download DaVinci Resolve for free. DaVinci Resolve is a feature-rich video editing software used by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Let's dive in. Download DaVinci Resolve. After submitting the form, you'll be redirected to a new page. Scroll down until you find the Download Now button. Click on it to initiate the download process. Install DaVinci Resolve. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file on your computer and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install DaVinci Resolve. Make sure to choose the desired installation location and select any additional components you want to include. Launch DaVinci Resolve. After the installation is complete, you can launch DaVinci Resolve. Depending on your system, it might take a moment to load. Once it opens, you're ready to start editing your videos. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded DaVinci Resolve for free. Now you can explore its powerful features and take your video editing skills to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Boy Anand for more tech-related content.
If you found this method helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
I hope this video helps you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Thanks for watching.